You always hope to get a good rest after a busy working day. The hair and dust on the floor will make you uncomfortable. The traditional vacuum is too big and heavy. You also need to handle the vacuum bar to clean the floor and underneath of the furniture. That will cause your backache after housework. Since we have robot vacuum, the housework has never been so easy. This machine combines fashion outlook and fully designed underhand. Not only fresh and exquisite but also capable of cleaning multi-dust environment. You just need to touch the clean button. It will start to work. This machine is more slimmer than other models. It can easily go underneath of the bed or sofa and clean the angle of the furniture. Provide large coverage of the clean areas. If there are some certain dust areas you need to pay extra attention, just push spot button. The machine will go circle to focus on cleaning this area as required. XP. After the machine memorizes your home clean routes, the EPS chip will calculate and plan the best routes to clean your home. If you want to control the clean route by yourself, you can use remote control. When the machine touches the wall, it will go along with wall to clean the angle. Meanwhile, the machine will provide 500 Pennsylvania cyclonic vacuum space when it is operating. When the machine touches the obstacle, it will turn around immediately. The soft protective sleeve and buffer collision rod has provided excellent protection for your furniture. 6 sensors can avoid dropping from the stairs and table. When it has low power, the machine can return the home charge dock to recharge power automatically. To save your valuable time, the machine has time management which can set up working time for each day. Once you have this intelligent machine, it will free you from the heavy and miscellaneous housework every day.